Hello there, I hope you are doing well. Today, I will tell you about 5 mistakes that people do during history research. History research tells us about our ancestors. But most beginners make some mistakes. The result is they get the wrong information. Here, in this video, I'll tell you 5 common errors that you should avoid during history research. Hello, everyone, welcome to the Family Tree Makers Support, the best place for genealogy program support. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. So, without taking your more time, let's dive into the video. 5 common errors that you must avoid during your history research. Number 1. Search for the exact name. The first mistake that people make is searching for the exact name. They don't search for different spellings whenever some people use different spellings for writing their names. This is the reason that they add the wrong person to their family tree. For example, suppose you are searching for William Wilmoth, but maybe he uses Will Wilmoth to spell out his name. So, it is recommended that you search with different spellings and nicknames when you do history research. Number 2. Not concerned with your relatives. The second common historical research mistake is not asking your relatives. Remember that whenever you start your family tree, first start with yourself and then take your relatives or family members' help to know more about your family. This will help you to get the right information. Number 3. Going too fast. Some people make their family tree in a hurry. Sometimes they are in so a hurry that they do not check any records and just add them to their family tree. To prevent this problem, do some research about your family history and then add people to your family tree. It will give you the correct information. Number 4. Not checking the genealogy database. Another big mistake that people make during history research is not checking the genealogical program database. Some people add their ancestors to social media platforms without checking the information source. Use local directories and some official records to find the correct information. Number 5. Not reviewing the past post. They do not review past posts. And again, they got the wrong information that they also passed to the others. So, these are some common family history research mistakes that people make when they do their history research. I hope you liked this video. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications about new videos. Share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching the video.